everyone, today we will be making mutton kasha. You can also call it mutton curry. So today we will be using the meat of baby goat. As you can see, I have already rinsed the meat and put it in the bowl. So in the bowl I have 3 pounds of meat. First I will be adding canola oil. Then I will be adding mustard oil. Then I will be adding salt. The quantity of salt depends on your taste. If you like salty, then you can add more salt. If you don't like salty, then you can add less salt. So next I will be adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. I have crushed them earlier, as you can see. Then I will be adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Two teaspoons of paprika powder. And 2. One teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. And then I will be adding chili. It depends on your taste how much you want to put. Since it's mutton, so I will be putting 1 teaspoonful of chili powder. Next I will be adding black cumin seed. I have crushed them, so I will be using 1 teaspoon. Next I will be using cardamon crush. Again 1 teaspoon. Next I will be adding cumin seeds. So here I have half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I will be adding sweet cumin that I have crushed earlier. I'll be using 1 teaspoon. Next I will be adding 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. And then I will be adding ginger paste. Since it's mutton, so I will be adding 1 teaspoonful of ginger paste. Next I will be adding onion paste. One teaspoonful. And then I will be adding chopped onion. It's half a red big onion. Next I will be adding white cardamom, black cardamom, clove, and cinnamon. And now we will mix everything the meat properly, so all the texture and everything mixed properly with the meat. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of non-fat yogurt, and then mix the meat well. Meat is being marinated. We will take a piece of charcoal and put it on the top of stove so it can burn properly. You see this kind of texture on the charcoal. Take the charcoal and put it on a bowl, and then we will set the bowl on the top of the meat inside the actual bowl and add some oil so it smokes properly. I have covered the bowl with the lid so the smoke gets inside the meat, and also you can enjoy the smoky flavor of mutton kosha. 2 hours of marinating. I will start the pressure cooker, and before start cooking I will add 2 bay leaves for flavoring. I will keep the temperature at 20. And after 20 minutes, let's see what happens. So after 20 minutes, the meat looks like this. And you can check with your spatula if the meat is still tough or soft. I can see the meat is pretty tough, so I will cook the meat for 20 more minutes. So after 20 minutes of cooking, the meat looks like this. I saw that meat has been softened, so now it's ready to eat, but I will be adding fried onions on top just for flavoring. This is my lunch for today. I will be enjoying my mutton kosha with basmati rice that I have cooked earlier. Hope you guys have enjoyed my recipe. You can try this recipe with lamb, beef, duck, or anything you like. And if you guys have liked my cooking for today, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.